So I'm your classical engineer with an MBA with a strategy consulting background. I've got born in the roots of a true commitment to this country and to this continent. And early in my days as an engineer, I've always really been focused on innovation. Innovation's at the heart of everything I've been doing. So my name is Suveer Ramdhani. I'm the CEO of Blue Nova. We aggregate the data across the 65 companies within the Blue Label Group. The Blue Label Group, of course, is famous for digital voucher distribution, whether this be airtime, ticketing, bus ticketing, electricity. We distribute these products digitally, and by observing people's behavior across these transactions, we're able to build up insights across our customer base. The ability to understand one's customer as well as meet their need quickly sets you apart from just your competitor. So where decisioning comes together with data analytics for us is ability to understand our customer. What makes us really unique within South Africa is the ability to look at 60% of the population and understand what it is that they spend their money on. And this, of course, is obviously important because one, it allows us to understand user behavior, but then predict what it is that they want to buy and when they want to buy it, and actually whether they can afford it. Some of the biggest challenges that we face are, of course, focus. Value is derived in that understanding rather than having to manage the IT systems around it. The second thing is getting access to data and the right kind of data. I'd rather have my teams focused on good data, quality data, developing rich insights than the technology around that. So where my partnership with FICO comes in is their ability to just take care of the decisioning for me. Companies like FICO and Blue Nova, we do actually have a big responsibility. I think if one thinks about how the internet's been changing and how technology's been changing, there's an emergence of a tech dominance, let's say, that sits kind of in Silicon Valley in one extreme and sits in Asia in the other extreme. And Africa's missing out on this curve. We're actually becoming consumers of technology rather than people that invent and develop technology. The responsibility we have as tech entrepreneurs is actually to understand, to keep up with these changes and make good use of these technologies to help bridge that divide. It's the kind of thing that gets me up out of bed in the morning.